the most awaited speaker today, Arun Kumar Paul. So we are really happy, sir. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University is really happy to invite the external examiners, and also we given additionally for asking you to present the lecture for the guest lecture to share your experience, and also for accepting our invitation for the guest lecture also. So now the TNAU is now after the COVID pandemic. Now we happily invite the external examiners to not only come over for evaluation the thesis in person, but also to interact with our students and faculty, to know each other, to build the confidence between us, and also future collaborations. For many purposes, we invite all the external examiners for this public defense for the student 5 hours, and also again, most of the examiners are very well experienced, and also they have very good domain knowledge in their respective area. So definitely your expertise, your experience is sharing with our students and their faculty will definitely help us to improve in our area, and also we know where we are and what kind of things we can improve. These are all things definitely we are gaining from your talk. So this way the TNAU is really benefited, and I'm really thank the Floriculture Department and the Dean Horticulture for arranging the guest lecture for the students, for the benefit of students and also the faculties. Again, these lectures, we arrange the guest lectures, not only the in person, but there are many online audience. Every time they are very keen in looking the lectures. And not only them in this campus, all the other campuses, students and staff also benefited. So we widely circulate the guest lectures for the faculty, for the information of the faculty. We more than all the 1,000 faculty, we send the Microsoft Team link individually. Apart from that, the masters and PhD every year more than 700 students, the masters and PhD students, we send individually the links through mail and also through WhatsApp. We send the information. Apart from that, there is online YouTube live also we given. This is mainly to spread the knowledge, not only the knowledge which the people, the participants in the in-person in Floriculture Department, but others also get benefited from this lecture. So in this way, sir, we are really thankful for accepting our invitation and come over for deliver the lecture. And again, the students, for the information of the students, every weekend we arrange the invite the endowment lectures, and also this is every weekend practice after Friday 3:30. You will be free and you can leisurely watch the different kind of endowment lectures. But I expect your full cooperation, because don't think that you can learn only from the domain knowledge or horticulture people talking. If you listen the lectures for other faculties across disciplines, either pathologist or the breeder, other disciplines, the endowment, the eminent speakers are coming. If you listen those lectures, definitely you will get a cross-disciplinary idea. You can get some idea you can pick from that. In that, you can able to improve your research skills and also your publication skill, and also you can interconnect with other faculties. How to nowadays the domain area knowledge is not only enough, but you need a cross-disciplinary knowledge. Otherwise, your papers or your publications or your these things will not be get accepted, because for the information of the speaker, we Tamil Nadu Agriculture University introduced we should publish the about not related 6 journals you have to publish. So for that, definitely you need interdisciplinary. So please watch the lectures every weekend, Friday, to have the knowledge on the interdisciplinary. So I take this platform to spread the message. I thank the organizers, especially the Floriculture Department and the Horticulture, for providing me the opportunity to share some of the views on the university, what we are expecting from the students. And also, I thank for them for inviting me for this wonderful evening. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Respected Professor and Head, Department of Floriculture and Landscaping, respected Dean, SPGS, respected Chairman and Professor, former Professor, Department of Floriculture and Landscaping, respected external examiner, my dear children, and those who are attending this program, online staffs and students, good evening to all. I am very happy to welcome Dr. Arun Kumar Paul from West Bengal, who is from the native place of my friend, that is Suchant Sant, who is working in a reputed university at West Bengal. Then I want to introduce and I want to tell something about meritorious activities and meritorious things done by Dr. Arun Kumar Paul, who is the external examiner for Lydia, who acquired PhD today. Okay, Dr. Arun Kumar Paul is the head of the Department of Floriculture and Landscaping at Bidhan Chandra Krishi Viswavidyan State Agriculture University, Nadia, West Bengal, India, where he has been working from December 1997. He received his PhD in horticulture in floriculture and landscaping from the Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vidyalaya in 1993. From 1988 to 1991, he worked at the Agriculture Horticulture Society of India, Kolkata. He also served as scientist at ICAR at Ramakrishna Ashram Krishi Vigyan Kendra during 1995 to 1997. His research interests centered on improving agrotechnics of crops like tuberose, marigold, annual flower crops, foliage plants. He has worked on organic manure and biostimulants to those crops. He has given numerous invited talks on TV and radio programs, Government of West Bengal, State Bank of India, and he has served as Director of Extension, BCKV, and offers and others training program. Professor Paul is co-author of book that is Varieties of Horticulture Crops and writer of Floriculture book chapter, and is the author of over 40 research papers on floriculture. Professor Paul is an academic expert of different Indian university and institutes like Calcutta University, Viswa Bharati, Uttar Bengal History, Viswavidyalaya, Orissa, University of Agriculture and Technology, Bihar, Agricultural University. He guided 2 PhD and 8 MSc students. At present, he has 2 PhD and 3 MSc students on his hand. He visited different countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. He participated 24 national and international seminar and symposium. He also participated 5 winter and summer school. His major contribution in the field of floriculture is to popularize the tuberose variety Brajwal cultivation in the major flower growing area of West Bengal, India. He has served mostly on floriculture division. So we are very happy to welcome you, sir, to deliver the lecture, especially on floriculture crops. Thank you, sir.
You can see that the different parts of the festival, they use these flowers. In any marriage ceremony, they use greens and also the flowers. But the artificial flowers are coming up. This is for the dangerous points of view in case of the floricultural students on the floricultural parts. Now we comes to the global floriculture business. You know that which flowers is the main flowers used as cut flowers. There is a rose, carnation, chrysanthemum, and the gerbera, lilium, and any other flowers also there. And the loose flower is the marigold, jasmine, and the tuberose, and also rose also there. And cut foliage means cut foliage, tart grass also there, and seed are planting materials. If you want to create a business, you start any of these products. Then you can see that the cut flowers produce on less than 2% of the total production area, only 2%. But it is increasing, day by day is increasing. Now, similar product also includes some of the similar product also. That is the calla lily. There is a bird of paradise also coming up. And the loose flowers are increasing. That is tripled in the past 2 decades. The main consumers are the metro cities. Now, some of the seasonal flowers also there. These are the potted plants and also the foliage plants also there, and the perennial shrubs for indoor decoration and also the outdoor decoration is also they are coming up. Now, that the industrial application. What is the industrial application? Industrial application use that is the sum of the oil, essential oil. They produce from the jasmine oil or rose oil to earn the money. The extraction of oil from several flowers, lavender, tuberose, and also pigment. Pigment from which pigment? That is the pigment is the marigold. It is increasing. It is also mixed with poultry feed, and to mix with poultry feed, and the poultry take up with this some of the pigments, and also nutraceutical value also there. Now, lastly, this is startup one. What is startup? You can see that is the flower collected from the different orchid places, and you produced some of the incense. Some of the incense sticks also prepared from this, and also you take the business from there. And also tart grass also there. This is also one of the business also there. 10,000 hectares of production area covering the 50 international cricket ground, more than 500 domestic cricket ground, and athletic fields also they are covered with the tart grasses. And also you can see that the ecotourism, part of the ecotourism, very different parts of the different, but it is not covered all the areas. This is some of the areas also there. Some of the areas, that is you can see the university areas, the Khirai Valley, West Bengal. Last year I visited. There are large area covered with the flowers. But in this year, there is another place also developed. This is also Noida district with the same type, large area was covered with the chrysanthemum and also the other flowers. I also show the pictures there. There is a different kind of flower valley. They are selling the flowers in the field, selling flowers in the field to earn the money. And the visitors, one-day visitors also visit the flowering places. Green plants. Green plants, you can decorate the wall with the help of green plants, just like a vertical garden. There is a flyover and the metros are coming up. In the metros, there is a pillar is also there in the flyover. You can decorate it with the help of the green plants. Any types of different plants. In this, as it is a shade place, you are, foliage types of the plants, you are grow this pillar. You can see any of the flyover, we also see this. And there's the airport, some of the airport decorated with the flowers, potted flowers, on also vertical garden also, dust trekking also there, that the green wall they prepared. These also help the control the pollution, that is the environmental protections. This reduce the air pollutions, improving the air quality, for improving the life of the human being. Then challenges in the industry. As you know that it is the primitive stage and this is facing many problems. That is area production in the different species. That is no data is available properly. Quality of planting material. Some of they are not knowing the variety, which varieties they are not knowing, but they are produced more. And there is no infrastructure facility at suppose the greenhouse in all places. But nowadays greenhouse facility is there to some extent is there. And cold storage facility is less, not to up to the mark. And there is a lack of coordination between the government in all the cases. That the lack of coordination is there. And one of the main things is the commission agent. Commission agent is their middleman, lack of systematic marketing system. This is the creative major problem and adequate extension service. You can see that is the overall pictures in Tamil Nadu from NHB I collected. That is the 486 metric ton loose flowers, 21.91 cut flowers, and Andhra 565.69 loose flowers, and West Bengal 208.02 0.82 lakhs numbers cut flowers and loose flowers 77.42. But this is not the up to the mark. There's addition is also there. There is large production. There is no adequate data is available. You can see there is in our state there is a big size market is there. You know that the Howrah bridge is there. There is a Mallikghat market. Mallikghat market biggest in the Mallikghat market. This market no systematic is there. Middleman is there. In the per day course of rupees of transaction is there. But if this is shifted to any other places, nearby place, this is earn more income. Place is not suitable. Place is not no room is there. No cold storage facility is there. From midnight to morning, they are selling their product, and they sell their product in the different states. You can see up to this left that this is the showing you. That is the only the pictures I show this what is happening in our state. There is first one, you know, the pointer is there. Celosia and Dahlia, and this is marigold, and this is gladiolus. Farmers are growing in this place. This place is Nadia district. Now, this is 2 years back photograph. Now, they are farmers are producing more number of areas for cultivation of the many of the varieties of the flowers. Number of flowers is more. They are growing in the chrysanthemum in the landscape. This is the one day visit. They visit the one day and enjoy their children and also their family. And this is marigold, and the harvesting stage is also there. This is harvesting stage also there. I took the photograph. I visited these places and took the photographs. Then you come to this is rose. This is rose. This is rose. And this is initial stages of the Purujal variety of the tube rose. Initial stages. This is the tube rose. This is the Purujal variety. This is the Purujal variety. You can say this is the marketplace in our Nadia district or nearby this village, and nearby there is two market is there. Floriculture market only for the flowers. The morning time from midnight to morning. If you visit the places in 7 o'clock, there is no market is there. Only they are spreading here and there 2 or 5 flowers is moving. Yeah. This is rose. This is this marigold. This is marigold. This is hibiscus. Hibiscus. This is Nadia district and one places. But first two part, and this is the another places, other places. This is one of the market is there, whole day market from morning to night. This is the special type of market. You can remember notice they are in our India probably there. Whole time market. The special character is anytime farmers go there and sell their product. Why? There is a train service is there from Kolkata to that places and any other places. From 1 hour interval, there is the one route is there. They go sell and they come with cycle, with any other vehicles. They go and sell or purchase. You can purchase and return. This is jasmine. This is dopati, balsam. This is balsam, and they are selling this product. This is tube rose. That is Purujal variety. Tube rose they are selling, and that is also cut. Because they also cut the Purujal variety. This is marigold. They are stored. Some of the middlemen also they purchase and store and then sell. Sell from where? They sell from Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, they are selling surroundings. But the other country is difficult to sell. This is tube rose. They are What happened after plucking these flowers? They pluck the flower, individual flowers. All the individual flowers plucking, they're standing up and they're plucking these flowers, individual flowers in the early morning hours. This market is the Thapur Nagar. You can know this Thapur Nagar, one of the places. This is the whole day market near station. Near station, this market is situated. So the whole area, the whole market is for the flower and the other accessory items. Suppose bridal things or tubgrass or mango leaf, or other making of the different types of the item from the flowers. Or you go to the market for purchasing flower, you have no bags, low cost bag you purchase and then you go to home. And then that is you can see these flowers. Litoria. This also they are selling this price. And this is one of the in Nadia district, Kolani districts. They are producing flowers. This is carnation. Carnation flowers. This is the low cost ground. I'm focusing on this Nadia district. This is the low cost greenhouse with bamboo. But what happened? After 3 years, he stopped this. Why? There is the manpower is the problem. In case of the carnation, every day you visit the places, you visit the seeing what happened in the flowering crop. That is the fusaria coil is dangerous. That's why it creates problem. When I was in the AICRP floriculture project, I cultivated these types of flower in open field. As I visited every day in the field, if there is any difficulties, spread this. That's why it is a created problem for this crop. But if you cultivate it, this price is high. Even one flower, 40 rupees. One flower is 40 rupees. But you cultivated this price. But energetic people also cultivated these flowers. In our Kalimpong region, these varieties was cultivated. These crops were cultivated. I am coming to this Khantala region. I say this Nadia district. There is a flower hub is there. Hopefully hub. You can see this is the Jarbeda. No, this is the aster, and this is the chrysanthemum. A large area was cultivated. You can see these others. This large area cultivated in 1 or 2 years. Within 1 or 2 years, this is cultivated a large area. People visited one day, and when you go to the roads, you can see the two sides. They're full of flowers. You can't imagine it. What is happening? What is going on? You can't imagine. You can see this is also there. This colorful of flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers. Another flower is also there. This is also a flowers. Chrysanthemum. This is also there. One thing in 24 Parganas district. This is 24 Pargana. Another district is 24 Pargana. This is Nadia district. In our university is there. Another is the 24 Pargana. You know that one of the districts. Or the students know that another district is there nearby or Nadia district. If that person, you see if that person have 100 bighas. Because you know the students also probably. Bighas.
How many bighas is 1 hectare?
7.5. Bighas is 1 hectare. 7.5. This person with 3 brothers cultivating only marigold. They're producing marigold seed and cutting and selling throughout the India. Only marigold, only marigold. Remember, this is only marigold. They cutting and production of seeds and they sell throughout the India. In this marigold, there are no varieties there, only color. They say that is our difficulties in our scientist level. Which variety, that is scientist level.
Say African variety.
African. I will show these flowers also. They are in their upstairs. They dried before 15th December. They plant the seeds, and then after spring they are stored in his home. You can see that a large number of packet is there. They can see packet is there. The 3-story building. Seeds producing seeds. Seed for after producing seeds, they store few days, and from the seeds they producing seedlings, and from some seedling is planted, then cutting are produced and selling. Cuttings also selling. In these cuttings, you can see earlier cuttings were rooted and then planted, but today's they are not rooted, directly planted. That's why time is less required for flowering. This produce a richest person. They have car is also there, tractor is also there. They collect the farmers or laborers with the cars and distribute it in your different field. In the tiffin hour, they collect and rest in your this farmer's house. After that, they are again distributed. After completion of work, they collect the laborers and they distribute it in your home. That is going on. He also richest person. From me, he also richest person. But the people is the very good. Even I told you that some of the cutting is required, you can sell. He came here with his vehicle and they gave this. Okay. And students also visited these places. Even ICF scientists also visited these places. IIHS scientists, in one of the seminar, they goes to our places, Kolani, they also visited these places. Then students also visited these places. You can see that is the seedling, large area. This is the seedling. All this is the seedling. There is a width is 1.2 to 1.5. That's maybe, and then length is more. You can see the large number of row is there. You can see this is the planting material planted, and after planting, when they grow up, this is growing up. This is in these cases, this is growing up. This is small. This is growing up. They cut it and they sell. This is another places. You can see this place. At the time they were busy. When the cuttings are transplanted, they are busy. 1 or 2 men will cut it, and one manager is there. They also, all these things are packaged. One packaging is there, and manager is also there, counting and also the recording. And then this is another place, the Midnapur district. Midnapur, you know the Midnapur district, right? Midnapur district. This is also hub. There's a social place. This is the places where the people visited these places for one day, from morning to evening. They enjoy these flowers. One of the our places, that is the Nadia district, is one place is created. This is the earlier places. This is Khirai village. One of the villages, Khirai village, known as the Khirai river is there. That's why it's the Khirai village in the Midnapur district. This is, I can take the photograph from other places to showing the rail station. That's why taking the places. At the time when I visited, there's a rainy day. I'm unable to visit towards the inside. This is the marigold. This is the dahlia is there. You can see the other places also. This is marigold. This is marigold. You can see that the large area is covered with different varieties of the flower, different kinds of the flowers. This, you can see that the different man is going. There's a selling purpose is also there. Village wise, they are collected, annual chrysanthemum collected, and they are selling. This is the Midnapur district, one side of the Khirai village, if you see. Then another is the Mechata Koloihat region is also there, you know, from where the betel leaf is coming here throughout the India. This is another places where the flowers are growing, and the market also there for the flowers, only for the flowers. Besides this, I also can remember you that for the floricultural, now for the vegetables scientist, there is one of the market is there, whole day market for vegetable crops. Whole night, not in day, whole night for the vegetable crops. And this is the one of the nursery visited for only for the rose nursery. Rose nursery. You can see that is the cutting, they are rooted. This is the cutting, they are rooted. And there are different types of the varieties. There are different types of the varieties in different small block, different varieties. The budded, these rootstocks. These also different. This also rose is after budding. There. This also is there storing purpose. Another thing, there is a different nursery also growing up. Different nursery. Some of the nursery I can see top of the nursery near our Kolkata. Near Kolkata, there is a big nursery. Big nursery, there is an Amtola region, you can remember, that is the Amtola region. Diamond River region, there is a, you know that the Indian Institute of Management, JOCA, you know always. All the people know that the Indian Institute of Management, you know. From Indian Institute of Management, inside this, in case of the nursery, big area is needed. After JOCA, around 20 kms inside, there is a nursery. Large nursery, one nursery, you go 2 hours, not completed. Only to go 2 hours is not completed. There are large number of nursery is there they produced this nursery product and then sell it. If I visited the nursery, they are not talking with me. I am not requiring any types of the plants. When I introduce myself, that I am coming from the Ramakrishna Ashram Krishi Vigyan Kendra at the time. Ramakrishna Ashram Krishi Vigyan Kendra, you know, Ramakrishna Ashram, they at that after they want to sit it. Okay. They are not talking. They are busy. And this types of nursery, that places, and in our from university there is 10 kms. There is a glass nursery. There is a palm nursery. There is a 2 hectare land. Only palm nursery is there. Only palm, not other is there. Only palm nursery. They are producing and they are selling. There is a nursery business is also emerging nursery. If any student, that is a business, you are the manager. After completion of a degree, you are the manager, you manage it. That's why that is your service is also, there is a problem, service is not there. That's why you do anything. That is you can see, that is the, you can see nursery man producing seedlings. And what they can do, they are doing in a small pot, big pot, they are doing. If you want to more number, if the plaque tray is there, plaque tray is there, they are within plaque tray, they can sell. You can remember 65 plaque tray is there, 105 plaque tray is there, ordered it, and prepared the factory. Another thing, we come to the Malik Ghat market. This is the Malik Ghat market pictures. I saw this 2 years earlier, 2 years earlier. That after completion of the corona, I visited these places. That is 1 year. 1 year. After just completion, you can see there is a leaf. You can see the asparagus is there. That is the, you can see the basil leaf. In Bengali, it is called tulsi. Tulsi. This leaves also there, and this is bell leaf. They are collecting and they are selling. You can see there are the different types of leaves. Cycat leaf, and this is cycat leaf. This is Dracaena leaf. This is also Dracaena leaf. This is also palm leaf, and this is Philomel diplexa, variegata leaf. There are different types of the leaves are selling. You can see village farmers also selling this. This also, they are decorated in this way. In case in this, there is a Malik Ghat market. They are selling different types of the leaves. This is also decorating. This is also Philomel diplexa. Is easily rooted, and this also Dracaena leaves. Also the palm leaves. They are packaged with the help of old cloth. They are making and selling. This is a rose. Some are coming from other places. This Malik Ghat market, all are coming here. This is also from Bangalore, goes to there. The Kolkata, there is a different types of the different person is there. They purchase. That's why in Kolkata Malik Ghat market, all flowers are present. This is, you can see, that is the gladiolus है, Latoria है, this is high, Cristata है, Celosia cristata है. You can see this is Paddo. Lotus is there from our Burdwan district is also there. From our station to Burdwan, there are 2 sites full of lotus. They are not commercially cultivated, but 2 very small farmers are commercially cultivated. There are different types of these. They are selling their product tuberose. They are stored. After purchasing, they are packaging and they stored with the help of water. This is lily. This is not commercially cultivated in our state, but some are cultivated. But our open field condition, this is also cultivated. But the storing of the bulb is the problem. That's why not cultivated here. It's one bulb 35 rupees. That's why create a problem. In other places, like Mizoram, Meghalaya, this is easily stored. That is cultivated. This type of the lily, that is Asiatic lily. Then Cristata, rose, and the different types of the rose. Different types of the rose in the market, Malik Ghat market. In Malik Ghat market, you can see they are also prepared the garland with the help of the different types of the flowers. I can show these pictures. Why? In the same market, you can purchase garland, all those flowers or any item, or ordered it, they prepared it and gave it. Or before, one day you come and then you instructed it with the help of this flower, you prepared it. They are expert for garland making. They also produce garland making. This is garland hanging. There is a different types of the garland. and bouquet is there. This is also a big size of garden for the decoration with the help of Dracena Victoria. This is for the gift. With the help of leaves, with whole flowers or asparagus, and any other flower, this is Ixora is there, Ixora, and there is, you know, minor flowers. This can be also used. This is also after getting the store. This is carnation. You can see the greenhouse. Greenhouse, with the help of greenhouse, you can produce Jarbera. That's it. But one thing is, the problem is there. In greenhouse condition, NHB also provides some money, subsidy, but the farmers are doing some things wrong. They are not consultation with the experts. They are doing ultimately 2 years. They are producing flowers and then dead. That's the creative problem. That is the problem. How we can solve it? That is the problem. Now it comes to, this is the Jarbera plant, Bursa Jarbera plant in our Nadia district. They are producing. Production is well, no problem. But throughout for the 10 years cultivation, with the help of 5,500 square meters, they produced large number of flowers, and one family is survived well. This is our slides. Last slides, you can see that is Sudha Mahesun. You are a scientist from IIH. She visited this our legions. And some of the farmers to assess what is happening in the horticulture. 5-6 years back, and produced a small video. That is what is happening in the world, in the whole India. That is recorded, and this also produced in a small film. Also, you can find this in IIHR web pages. Is there? IIHR web pages is there. Now she is working in the New Delhi, in the new post. Probably in the new post. They also assigned in the new post in New Delhi. This is up to this. Thanks all of you. Thanks all of you for nicely presenting the artist. Now you saw this the movie. So 9 minutes, probably in the 9 minutes. You can see in the last 3 minutes from West Bengal, others parts also, others in whole India, where it is going in horticulture.
Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bangalore, is a premier research institute under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi. The institute, with a strong intellectual manpower of over 120 scientists, undertakes research on about 50 horticultural crops, focusing on crop improvement through productivity enhancement. IIHR, since its inception in 1967, has developed and released over 128 improved varieties and F1 hybrids in different fruits, vegetables, ornamental and medicinal crops. A number of these varieties and hybrids have been adopted across the country in different crops and improve farmers' income and family welfare.
Have released more than 100 technologies and more than 100 have been commercialized. However, if you view to understand and refine the technologies already released, we have taken up different technologies released from various schools. One of the steps that we have taken is with regard to the variety Arka Prajwal, which is a tuberous variety which is being grown in many parts of India, especially in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal.
Tuberose, locally known as Rasiganda, is an all-season flower grown over an area of 7,500 hectares across the country. Dr. Meenakshi and team, scientists from the Ornamental Division of IIHR, released F1 hybrid Prajwal nearly a decade ago. With a pinkish tinge at the edge, Prajwal yields double that of the earlier popular variety Mexican single and is easily adapted to any soil conditions. Prajwal is adopted across growing regions in Madurai, Salem, and Dharmapuri districts of Tamil Nadu, Meerut in UP, and Krishnanagar district in West Bengal. We, the economics from IHR, undertook a survey to evaluate the spread and adoption of Prajwal across the regions.
Economic impact analysis technology adoption is of significance not only to the research institutes but also to the policy makers and the end users, the growers. Impact analysis helps in identifying the factors that influence the pattern and extent of technology adoption. This case study of Prajwal is an exposed impact assessment of the hybrid with higher yield potential.
Mr. Shanmugam, Program Coordinator, KVK Dharmapuri, explains.
To the farmers of the farmers in the past 6 years. This has been occupied almost the major advantage of this hybrid is the increased yield over the local variety. Used to after the so in that area he gets a regular flower and so that he can price ranges between 30 to 150 season. So the farmer gets a regular income. So the regular income will be farmers to sustain his life.
Mr. Kamalakaran has been growing Prajwal for over a decade now, and he is very happy with the yield and returns.
It was not ஒரு சீசனுக்கு தான் கிடைக்கும். அந்த சீசன்ல விலை கிடைக்குதுன்னா நமக்கு லாபம் கிடைக்கும், விலை கிடைக்காது. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இயர் ஃபுல்லாவே வந்துருக்கு. இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வருஷம் ஃபுல்லாவே ஒரு இயர் கிடைச்சு மார்க்கெட்டிங் வந்து பேங்க். நம்ம ஊர்ல இருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 4 கிடைக்கும். ஒவ்வொரு ஏக்கர் அப்படின்னு குறைஞ்சிட்டு மினிமம் ஒரு 2 lakhs கிடைக்கும். 5 years ஆனாலும் நம்மளால மெயின்டைன் பண்ண முடியும். கரெக்டாக கடையில் அமைக்கிறது.
அஞ்சுல வந்து ஒரு ஏக்கருக்கு வந்து ஒரு 30,000 ஒரு 40,000 அதிகமாகும். லாபம் வந்து பூக்கு வந்து இது வந்து கம்மியா இருந்தாங்க. சீசன் டைம் வந்து இருக்கிறதுனால நமக்கு தூரம் ஒரு ஏக்கர் வந்து ஒரு மாசத்துல அதிகமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா ரேட் அதிகம் போதுன்னா மாசம் வந்து 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு கிடைக்கும். பிள்ளைங்க படிக்கிறது இது ஒரு பரவாயில்லை.
The pattern of spread of Prajwal is rather interesting. Unlike in Dharmapuri, where the KVK took interest, it is Dr. K.P. Singh, a scientist from the National Agricultural Research System, who introduced Prajwal to nearly 10 villages around Meerut region. The farmers from Hapur, Muzaffarnagar, and the surrounding regions in Meerut district have shifted from earlier grown Mexican single to Prajwal since last 6 years. Regular daily harvest and easy to grow are the main reasons for its widespread adoption. By allocating around 15% of their farm area for Prajwal, the growers are assured with a return of over 50% of the total farm earnings. In comparison to crops like sugarcane or potato, Prajwal gives higher returns and therefore it is more preferred. Ghaziabad flower mandi is the closest market for these growers.
बनने से ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है, इसको इसलिए हम बोलते हैं नगद पैसा मिलता है। 1.5 लाख रुपए मिल जाता है।
अरे गांव के कृषि डॉक्टर आए थे उषा से, सुधा मैडम भी साथ थी। उन्होंने विचार किया फूल के बारे में कि फूल को अच्छा मार्केट है इसमें। कई बार हमारे गांव में आए लोग उषा से हमें अच्छी शिक्षा देते हैं कि मैं अच्छे काम करूँ, फूल लगाओ ज्यादा से ज्यादा। कम से कम गाँव के अंदर 200 आदमी 5 साल 10,000 रुपये की
All the respondents indicated that the consistent regular higher yield of Prajwal fetched at profitable returns that further help sustain improved livelihoods.
Not only growers, the traders in the mandi also have very positive points in favor of Prajwal. Prajwal has found its way to the flower bed of the nation, Bengal as well. The state with nearly 2,500 hectares area under tuberose has more than 50% of the area under Prajwal. Introduced by Dr. Arun Kumar Paul of the BCKV Kalyani, the hybrid is very popularly grown in Krishnanagar and Nadia districts in Bengal. Krishnanagar, a horticultural belt, houses a large number of flowers and vegetables. Gerbera under polyhouse conditions and Prajwal under open cultivation are the most preferred flowers in this region. Prajwal is grown as a 2-year crop in Bengal. With a number of schemes under operation, farmers can get nearly 15% of the cultivation expenses as subsidies, hence making it highly remunerative for growing flowers. With well-connected markets close to the production centers, tuberose from this region gets transported across the northeastern parts of the country, like Siliguri, Assam, Nagaland, and also gets easily exported across the borders to Nepal and Bangladesh. The profitability of the crop is so well established that farmers are opting to grow Prajwal in case of price. Based on the survey of farmers from different growing regions across the country, the spread of Prajwal is estimated at 38% of the total tuberose area between 2009 and 2015. Using the capital budgeting method, the overall economic impact due to adoption of Prajwal is estimated at rupees 880 crores.
Ex-post impact assessment of this nature help quantify the aggregate benefits of technology adoption. It also provides direction for the research institutes
sharing,
prioritizing their research investment.
Institute has also released several vegetable varieties as well as some of the technologies with regard to canopy management and products. We are in the first step of making the impact assessment. Probably more studies of this nature would not only help the institute to come up with better technologies, but also would help the partners.
now this is the time for discussion. The online participants as well as the offline participants can put forth your questions to Dr. Arun Kumar, please.
We complement your very good work of introducing Prajwal in West Bengal. As we know, Prajwal has a big area, so not very high in there, and Tamil also huge areas coming under Prajwal. So while introducing what was the acceptance of the farmers, already women have been growing Calcutta single, Mexican single, all those varieties, traditional varieties. But to switch over from one variety to an improved variety, what are struggles you have come across?
Your question is correct. In case of the physidium wilt, you show that there is any in your cultivation of the tuberose, in any type of tuberose, physidium will affect during rainy season. If there is any depressed area, there is a water logging system is there. At that time, you clear the water first, and then you soil drenched with the help of the fungicide. That is in or Plytox, Titanium 45, Plytox is there. This is the remedies. But there is a nematode is there. If there is a nematode, that's a creative problem. Otherwise, physium may be controlled if you treat well. Whereas you are always in the sandy loam soil is loamy soil, but the water is there, but their drainage is needed. Okay.
The constraint in the gradual varieties.
Hmm.
You have a light pink tinge.
Light pink tinge in the winter season. Only winter season. Winter season, light tinge, and also the scent. That is the gradual varieties scent. If you apply organic manure and the required amount of NPK, if you apply these crops, there is if one stick, this will send it through the room. That is the main things. Otherwise, no scent is there. And husk light also increase.
Then you use the florets and prepare a garland. The weight of the garland is increasing. That's the complaint made by the marketers.
Which one?
Weight of the garland.
Weight is more. That is the Projal variety weight in one floret weight 1.2 to 2 gram. 1.2 to 2 gram. That is the weight of the floret. That's why it is very difficult. But the farmers, what they do? They are doing not feeding well. Ultimately, they are less the weight. Scientists are not there working in this aspect, but they are not feeding well. Ultimately, their weight is 1.2 grams. They are reducing the weight. They are what they want. They want to introduce single types. That is known as the Calcutta single. But there is a nematode, leaf node nematode, create a problem. But I send this all of the variety to the ARI for what are the any other process to DNA transfer, any other further things. They are doing well. One of the scientists, one of the junior scientists also there, I told him that is do the some in the biomolecular laboratory is there. They are also include. If they produce this something, this is the good things or this, that is single variety, Calcutta single variety or any other local name is available, any other. This is, if there is less in weight, farmers are cultivating more.
The income is more.
Income is more. Throughout the nowadays, Projal varieties throughout the year flowering. In the case of heavy winter, tuberose is not flowering. But the flowering will happen if their initiation is the before winter. Flower initiation is before winter, they ultimately produce flowers. Time there is a large number of flowers available. You can see large number of flowers. 1 kg of tuberose is 30 rupees only 30 rupees. There is a winter in our state. Winter is at least nowadays 30 days, minimum 30 days is there. In earlier cases, there are 2 months, 3 months is there. That's why production is possible.
What is the cost of bulbs?
Cost of bulbs is less nowadays. In our cases, in our state also 1 rupees or less. I purchased this bulb from IIHR when I visited IIHR. Purchase 1 rupees per bulb and take this bulb to our university, and then this bulb size is amorphophallus. You know the amorphophallus small size bulb. There is a local type. In any local type, is small type is there. This bulb I cut into 8 pieces, 6 pieces, 2 pieces, 4 pieces, and one of my MSc student were working on these pieces. I not knowing this what is happening, just a try. After that, it will happen. That is the delay in flowering. Just after rejuvenating this and planted will appears. At that time, I will started my work on the Projal variety. Any question from students? You tell me, no problem. Students' response is it's a good variety you can establish with the help of the tuberose. Disease phase is occur, but it will be solved. Or otherwise, new variety are evolved. In this aspect, I tell you some things. In this workshop, AICRP floriculture, in this workshop just few days back, there are 2 varieties were released from BCKV. 2 varieties were released from BCKV. I am not collecting this. Just 2 or 3 days back. After examining all the centers, they are releasing this for few years.
Even we have those varieties.
You see this earlier, there is a 2-3 varieties. When I joined, there is a 5 varieties there. After that, last number of varieties was evolved. At least nowadays, 16 to 20 varieties is available. But all the varieties is not popular. Double type of tuberose is there. Boypop is there, and also Calcutta double is there. Subhasini. But nowadays, they are earning money. That's why they are shifted to only the project. We can earn the money. In any project, one stick, they sell from the field 4 rupees. From field 4 rupees, you can understand that is 1 hectare. That is 1,000 or 20. Suppose 1,020, 4 rupees. How many rupees is there in per hectare, per year? Now, any industry, in case of the industry, the oil extraction, but there is a constraint is there. The area is covered under crop is less. Less means large area cultivated. They are selling loose flowers, stick flowers. But in case of another side by industry, this requires another huge amount. 2 or 3 industrialists is coming here. They are saying the last number of material is required. If the industry, all the industry capture this, ultimately people are not getting their flower. That's a create a problem. Ultimately, it will happen. Larger area nowadays is tuberose, and then after that is the marigold and the rose. Open field. No, open field. And Jarbeda also in the closed field. And nowadays they are cultivating all the information not coming. In this year, my student also working in the HDO, horticulture research officer, all are interested. They tell me that they are growing orchid in greenhouse, large area. Orchid in greenhouse, large area, and also Jarbeda in greenhouse in the large area. But the data is not sufficient. How many areas is covered? That's a create problem. They are in the northern part of the state. They produce and sell through this region, through Bangladesh and other parts. From Bangladesh, if you go to another country, you can see things I tell you. That is that the orange, mandarin orange, Darjeeling mandarin is a beautiful crop. This mandarin goes to other state, other country through via Bangladesh. We are not taking this orange, mandarin orange. It's a beautiful, any type of orange. This is not beautiful orange. That through Bangladesh, they go to outside. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my compliments for your very nice presentation. And we were past 30 minutes, we were enjoying your presentation, sir. And my interest is how we can make the horticultural graduates into entrepreneurs as far as this flower marketing and flower production or consultant, that mode, how we can empower. Is there any specialized entrepreneurs available based on your experience, so that we can think of exporting the flowers and also extracting the flower-based products and also domestic market.
This is very difficult questions. You can see that the entrepreneur, not entrepreneur is there. Their middleman is there. They are earning money, only for the earning money. That's why they create a problem. The farmers sell their product own, and the middleman goes to the market, goes to the field and take this product and go to the market. That's a clear problem. In case of the student size, this is the very difficult.
You told now some part of the year the cost, the price of the flowers goes even 30 rupees per kg. That time if we concentrate and do some storage or value added products or something, some dry flower technology, something like that, then it will become a very good area to venture and captivate that low market price and make it as a product or something. What I want to say, you better know what can be done with that tuberose and related flowers.
Value-added product prepared for the student. That a different color also is there. Different edible color also there. This type color, white flower can you create the different white color can be different types of the color like red, yellow, orange, and then can you sell. And the dry flowers, you can produce the dry flower, but dry flower is some of the dry flowers also they can produce. On dry leaf also they produced, and with the help of the dry flowers and foliage, they can produce a different item like the poster and base marker, and also different water or wall hanging also there, and also other items also they can sell. This is the emerging industry, and also you can in the flower also also they are collected from their different worship places, and this also produced from the incense sticks. Incense stick they can also produced with the help of this flower product. This is the good industries.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
How the stage will be either by auctions or how the price fluctuation will be observed?
There's no auction is there. No auction is there. They are seated and individually they are buy these flowers. Suppose one bag is tuberose is there. That is 20 kg is there. They purchase the 30 rupees kilo. They told no, I give the 25 rupees. Or they tell no, 20 rupees. No, I will give. After that, after bargaining, 30 rupees, 20 rupees, and 25 they sell. If they capture the whole the bag, then get 20 rupees. That's why it's a perishable product. The whole things is at a one-time sale. No auction is there, just like Amsterdam, Netherlands. Just for bargaining and for sale. No auction is there. In case of the big size markets, all of the market, they told what is the price. Farmers are coming. What is the price? Some places, or the middleman is also there. Their places, and bargaining and the sale. No auction is there. Probably in our India, no much. Not is there. Pune is also there. They are developing fast. Pune is there. I also visited Pune at the time. They also just started. Our places is not started. The big market is also well established. First of all, market is also established, and then you say there is a big size market is there. In our state, no organized market. That's a clear problem. Molecular market, if they produce this will be good. But there is some reasons is there, political reasons and other reasons. That's why not enlarge this.
There are no bigger restriction costs for the cultivation, but for the volume products of zebra, farmers see more of initial costs. Is there any other way, like with like polytunnels or some other shaders, there is like any alternative way for the farmers to reduce the initial cost and grow zebra?
Only Jarbera, it says a low cost cultivation, you can create the bamboo. With the help of bamboo, you create the room, polyhouse. Not room, small tunnel is not for Jarbera cultivation, small tunnel is not. With the help of the locally available material, just like a bamboo or any other, you create a structure and then you plant it, this material.
Combination and bamboo, low cost cultivation.
Low cost.
But the quality, you cannot compare to cannot export.
Bamboo is ideal low cost technology and covering with the locally available material, just like a bamboo sleeves also.
White flowers in West Bengal is the largest
Area.
exporter of white flowers. Where do they source the materials from, the raw materials?
Actually, they supplier not disclose this. Supplier, where they supplied, they are not producing. One time, just like a 15-20 years back, when I coming from our native place, from Kochbihar, this is the northern part of the Bengal, to Kolkata, I am actually traveling the sleeper bus. Just for enjoying. That is 2-3 big size packet is there near the toilet, or even the 2 coaches. Big size of 3, 4, 5 packets. And the whole thing is that process. They collected the material from forest. And there is no, the forest is there. Different types of the material collected and comes to the Boro Bazaar, knows that the Boro Bazaar near the Howrah Bridge, Boro Bazaar is there, they're selling it. Not one person is not.
No restriction.
No restriction is there. That's why all is extinct is there. All are going to the outside, all are coming and going. At that time, I told that person, what is this? They told that is the sum of the materials. I sell it to the Boro Bazaar market. This cost is more. They are only the few rupees they are. They are not knowing what is coming in, what is going.
Tamil Nadu people, they are getting it from school.
Dry raw material. And one thing, one of the persons coming to my house, this is a true fact. Coming, they collect the material from forest, they store it in a house, gas places, and all the materials, when 2 or 3 lorries, material is there, they sell it, they sell, with the help of this, they goes to the Boro Bazaar market. The data is not there. Data is not there, no one people is not bothered it. But the material goes out.
Support. He wanted to introduce some few other species. One is Dahlia. Dahlia different varieties. Earlier we had many collections, it's all gone now. We want to revive all the Dahlia collections. I think Sugar is the number one for Dahlia. Sugar supply everywhere. So we require the support.
Dahlia is there, one of the nurserymen only producing Dahlia, different varieties of Dahlia. If you need it, you call me and he will pack it and he will send it. Okay, you told me. And I also, their rose nursery is there. They also supply. Open field condition. Open field condition. This nurseryman also supplied it. No problem. And Dahlia in my Pallani region also there. The different varieties of Dahlia is there. They also supplied to one PAU. They supplied PAU, Padnagar Agricultural University. They supplied the different varieties also there. But the earlier they bought it, they rooted and they sell, packed it and they sell. Okay, if there is any question? No question is there. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot for.
Finally, what are things? On behalf of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Horticulture College and Research Institute, Department of Floriculture and Landscaping, I thank our guest speaker, Dr. Arun Kumar Pal, Professor of Floriculture and Landscaping, for his excellent lecture on this floriculture in West Bengal and East India. Thank you, sir. And I also thank our Dean Horticulture who introduced the speaker, and the Dean PG Studies who gives the introductory speech, and our Professor and Head Dr. K. Rajamani, and our former Professor and Head Dr. Kannan, and all the staff of Floriculture and Landscaping and other departments who are in online and offline, and all the participants, the students, PG, PhD, who are in online and offline. We thank one and all for attending this wonderful lecture. Thank you, sir. We again thank the speaker. Thank you, sir. Thank you.